Want to call a friend on Instagram but don't know how to? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to make an audio call on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. Open the chat of the friend that you want to call. At the top right, you can see two icons. One is phone icon, that is audio call, and the recorder icon is video call. Let's try audio calling this friend. Let's go through the options. There is video icon to turn the video on and off. You can just tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. There is mic to mute and unmute yourself, and there is speaker icon. When you turn on the video, there are few extra options at the left side like avatars, backgrounds, filters, and there's also Beautify. To end the call, you can tap on the red icon at the top right. And that is how you make an audio call on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.